Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Eustace Leon Greaves Jr. here with more key concepts, courtesy of the Bridge Insurance Agency and Greaves Financial Services. In the aftermath of Hurricane Sandy, those of you who own homes, want you to understand, whether you own a home, you rent an apartment, you own a co-op or a condo, if you suffered damage due to the wind, or even if you suffered damage from water. Now, water is not normally covered under a homeowner's policy rather. However, if subsequent to the water damage, you suffered damage to fire, theft, things of that nature, you may actually be covered for a lot of things that you've lost, which could be very good news for the people in a Breezy Point in Queens. Very important that after the loss, you know what your duties are after the loss. I'm going to read them very quickly. They will be on my website, insuremeeg.com, a little bit later today. But understand very quickly what your duties are after a loss. Number one, you have to give immediate notice to either the insurance company that covers you or your insurance agent or broker. So when my clients call me, it's as though they are calling the company. Make sure you make contact with your agent or broker. If you can't remember the name of your insurance company, always remember the name of your insurance agent or broker. Alrighty? Now, protect the damaged property as much as you can from further damage. If the windows were blown out, put sheets of plywood over them, so this way you prevent people from coming in and looting, as what happened out in Coney Island. Before the owners of those businesses could even get out there, people had already looted their stores, which is a shame. The next thing you should try to do is to inventory anything that was damaged and take further precautions so that those items you may have in the house, for example, don't suffer further damage. So this is another great reason for having a personal home inventory of everything in your home, so that this way you can be fully indemnified or fully recover in your insurance settlement. And again, now, as often as is reasonably required by the insurance company, you're going to have to meet with them to, show them the house. You'll have to sign, something basically that says everything I'm telling you is true and correct under oath, and provide them with any records and documents of what you owned. Again, the need for a personal home inventory is mandatory nowadays. It's a key component of your family's financial plan. So, within 60 days now of your initial request, you're going to submit to the company what you feel it is you lost: the linens, the towels. You see, it's not just the Jimmy Choos and the Nine West and the Louboutinis. It's I hate to say it, it's underwear. It's the clothing you need to go back and forth to work. It's toys. It's beds. It's linens. It's towels. It's dishes, knives, forks, cups to drink tea out of. So put down everything that you possibly lost to the best of your recollection. Take pictures. Document the damage. Document what was damaged, what you may have to throw out. But make sure you document everything you have to throw out before the adjuster gets there. Alrighty? Borrow a video camera. This is one reason to use a smartphone to make video and photographic proof, to create proof of what you lost. The companies love evidence. They will be, I'm sure, kind and understanding, but again, folks, they're going to need some type of evidence to see something. So make sure you tape everything. If your home was on Eyewitness News or New York One, ask them for a copy of that tape so they can see exactly the type of damage you suffered and what you've done in the meantime to fix that damage. Alrighty? So, again, get in touch with your agents, document everything, protect the property from further damage, and just be available to the insurance companies. If you're worried about them reaching you, give them the telephone number of a trusted friend, neighbor with power, anyone who they can get in contact with, so that they in turn can get in contact with you. Communication is very, very important at this point. I understand this has been a traumatic experience for many people, but you must communicate with your insurance carrier. All right, my name is Eustace Leon Greaves Jr. My office number is 718-783-2722, and you can see this video and other information I'll be putting up on my website, which is located at insuremeeg.com. That's insuremeeg.com. God bless, stay well, and this too shall pass. Bye-bye.